All right, today's animal of the day, chimpanzee. His name is Bo. He's one of the males we have here at the park. Bo came to us a couple years ago from Missouri. He actually was at a chimp sanctuary and came to us, and he has learned a couple different things to do. He does do the titty dance. He knows where his head is, his ears, eyes. Just from where they've taught him up there at the sanctuary, and they've communicated with him and everything. Bo's pretty cool. He's pretty temperamental. He may throw poop at you one day, and the next day he'd be best friend. Joe's pretty much got him spoiled. Joe's putting lotion on his feet, lotion on his hands, and he's ruining these chimps. They're just big old babies now.
Get up here. Get up here. No. Come here. Come here. You're gonna say you're sorry. Okay? Let me kiss. You say you're sorry, okay? Alright? Yeah? How's that for business, huh? Yeah? Mwah. Man, be nice about it now. Be nice. You little bastard. Did you see that? Hey. Bo. Be nice. Give me a hand. Be nice. Fine.
This is Bo, our chimp of the day.